祝大家恭喜发财！
恭喜大发财！
拜。Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
We'll be having our dinner shortly. So before
We
that,
have dinner.
just to intro this, we will be having yu sang or lo sang later
No.
before dinner. So this is actually I need to introduce this one to you guys because it's only a culture of Malaysia and Singapore. So what we do this is we will mix all this together for good luck and good fortune. You can call this yu sang. This thing is called yu sang, but when we're doing it, it's called lo sang. Lo sang. So what we do, we'll be taking chopstick. Everyone will be gathered around the table with this one in the middle. So we will be taking chopstick, each of us, and we will stir that thing. And while stirring, we will have that good luck words like Gong Xi Fa Chai, vigor, man si seng ye, and all that luck wishes during Chinese New Year. So yeah, just to intro. Later there will be a video that before dinner we will be having this lo sang. See you.
See you. Bye bye.
Yeah, not yet. Later. Done?
That's a lot.
It's a lot, right? It's a big one.
Whoa.
Ginger.
Interesting. Wow. I like that one.
Wait.
Whoa, baseball. I eat that ginger.
Not yet.
Spices.
All these ingredients.
No, how about that one? Doing baseball. And I really want this now. Not yet. Huh? Yeah.
Peanuts.
Yeah.
I think it's in the middle. Well, you know. Well, you know.
Wait. So this is the gravy
Sauce.
No.
sauce.
My soul.
No.
Here's that one.
Wait. You cannot mix it. Wait with the.
And then this one.
There's still a lot.
More peanuts.
Peanuts. Yes.
Yeah.
What's that?
I see.
You sneezes? Oh man.
Oh, that's horrors. Die. Okay, I'm thinking.
No, you cannot yet.
Man.
Mom,
So yes, we will start stirring now. Hey, come here, Pacho.
Become rich,
Mansi.
become rich, become rich.
Para, para, para.
Good health.
Phát à.
Wide.
Thân thể kiện không à.
Reach.
Phát à. Thân thể kiện không. Good health.
Long
Mà gì
life.
à. Mà tôi không xịn à. Gì yếu xịn. Lên đô bùi môn nữa. Oh. This is the after result. So we will eat this one before dinner. Okay, Mel is eating already.